Hey Nisha, it's my last day today and I'd just like to thank you for everything you've done for me. We've been through a lot over the last 5 years, both in work and in life. We've had an amazing journey together, but I just hope you understand why I had to do this. It's been a tough couple of months and I just felt like something was missing in my life. Deep down, I knew I had to follow my aspirations for something bigger, something better, which is why I knew it had to be done. So, it's time to say goodbye.
With an upgrade in career comes an upgrade of car. Goodbyes will always be hard. Let Carro make it easy for you.